Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I am fine,
Uh,
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your present job?
My present job is I am a nanny and housemaid, and then I am looking for the three kids, and they are the two children. They are going to the school, and then I will stay with the small baby, and for a while I'm also clean with the house except for cooking.
Okay, and what is the nationality of your employer?
The nationality of my employer is the girl is my madam is local, and then my sir is from Saudi.
Okay, and how many total members in the family?
They are five in the family,
And how old are their children?
and their children is six, the eldest, and the second one is five, and the youngest is 2 years old.
Okay, and by the way, why you decided not to renew your contract with them?
Because I am looking for I want
Okay.
higher salary.
Okay, so since you're looking for a new employer after you finish your contract, so how much would be the minimum salary you will ask this time?
At least 1,500, higher than that.
Okay, and what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Cleaning,
Clean.
mostly cleaning,
Okay, and what type of food can you cook?
like boiling egg,
Mm-hmm.
noodles, fried rice, fried chicken, Filipino food.
Filipino foods, okay.
Yeah.
And now this is in terms of babysitting. How do you know if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, he have a fever, he is not energetic, he is lousy, and he is behave.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food? Because you know sometimes kids don't want to finish their food, so what would be your tricks?
My tricks is I will tell for them that if you will not finish the food quickly, we will not go outside, or I will not buy something for you, and I will tell to your mother that you are not listening with me.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what is your hobby?
My hobby is talking with my relatives, friends, through my mobile. Sometimes in the night after my work, I use my laptop to talk with, to release the pain and to relieve my pain, to talk my family, to my friends.
Okay, so how long do you want to work here in UAE? I know you've been here like for 2 years already, and how many more years you
I
want to
want
stay?
another 1 year.
Another 1 year.
Yeah, if ever they don't allow me for another 1 year, okay, I will proceed to 2 years.
Okay. And do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Of course, because I am working here for almost 2 years, and my madam, she don't complain to my job, because I am looking for three kids, and a while for I'm looking for three kids, I am also working inside the house.
Okay, really nice. Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day ahead.